Oh my god. It's like this is like a rock train.
By now be a rock train. We're waiting for Q416. By now be a rock train. I hope not.
That would make me so mad.
416.
Wave your hat back and forth. I wave my hat back and forth. Make sure to wave. Phil. I need my phone.
Hi guys.
Be quiet, Phil.
I said hi.
No one cares.
I do.
No, we don't.
I do. Am I in your way? Or am I
No.
okay? I want to make sure I'm okay.
See it?
I hear
Maybe he was right. It was coming.
He's coming now. He's, oh, sweet.
Philip, it's like the KCS isn't on it.
Yeah, I mean, it's the only place I'm going to wait. I'm not going to catch you. I'm waiting for KCS.
Ferromex. Pop, that's my third.
Lucky double. I want to say thank you to Joey, the pin guy, and Bodie, and Tony for letting me know. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. That's Bodie. She has to go home, man. Check these guys out, guys.
Have fun. And nature is safe.